One of the state's most important witnesses returned to the stand today in Karen Reed's murder retrial. Accident expert Judson Welcher says his analysis shows Reed hit John O'Keefe with her SUV, eventually resulting in his death. Our NBC 10's John Maroney joining us live from Dedham with details on his testimony and cross-examination by the defense. John.
Priscilla, the state's accident expert is at the heart of its case, so the state is working to discredit him and his testimony.
Good morning, Dr. Welcher.
Good morning. We haven't been formally introduced. Your whole name?
Robert Alessi, sir.
Robert Alessi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Defense attorney Robert Alessi's introduction to Judson Welcher, the state's accident reconstruction expert, who says John O'Keefe's injuries were consistent with getting hit by an SUV identical to the one owned by Karen Reed.
It is consistent with being struck by a Lexus and ultimately contacting a hard surface such as frozen ground.
I don't have any comment, thank you.
Reed left court without comment. She's pleaded not guilty to hitting her Boston police officer boyfriend with her vehicle and leaving him to die in the snow. Alessi conducted Welcher's cross-examination, attacking his theories, conclusions, and even a change he made to his report about the case.
Did you consider that change significant?
No.
Well, then why did you make it in the middle of trial if it wasn't significant?
Welcher tried to recreate O'Keefe's alleged impact with Reed's vehicle using grease paint and an SUV identical to the defendant's. Reed's vehicle is said to have been traveling at nearly 24 miles per hour. Alessi asked Welcher why he conducted his test at only 2 miles per hour.
You didn't do a blue paint test with the vehicle going at 20 miles per hour, correct?
That is correct. I was not going to hit myself with a Lexus at 20 miles an hour.
Alessi pressed Welcher on whether Reed's SUV could have jumped the curb traveling backwards and gone onto the lawn at 34 Fairview Road, where John O'Keefe's body was found.
It's certainly possible. It's possible it could have shot off into space as an engineer, but not probable.
Oh, you think it's possible that it could have been shot off into space, sir?
As an engineer, it's a possibility.
Now, tomorrow is only a half day of testimony, but that traffic expert will be back on the stand for a third day. Live in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boss.